This is the VEX Robotics Pickup and Drop Ball Machine Construction Kit by HEXUG. It's advertised for ages 8 to 16 and includes over 400 build pieces and 8 balls. It also comes with a 74-page instruction manual for the pickup and drop ball machine, but it also has 2 alternate builds, and those instructions can be found on hexbug.com. On the back, they show out what the pickup and drop ball machine will look like once completed, and it also is compatible with the HEXUG motor kit, but that is sold separately. Now let's look inside. Alright, so first up, as advertised, we have our 74-page pickup and drop manual. If for some reason your box does not come with a manual, you can find all of these instructions online at hexbug.com. Just find the kit that you're building, click on it, and it has an instruction tab for that. Here's a little look at what the instructions will look like. They're pretty detailed. It lists out each part that you should use and how it actually connects. Here in this bag, you should have 8 white balls as mentioned on the front of the box. And then we have some corner connectors in here as well. We have one bag that has 2 large square pieces. These 2 are very important. We also have a plastic bag with 3 metal shafts. Also, one thing to mention, if you have your own VEXIQ kit at home, all of those VEXIQ kit parts are compatible with the HEXUG set. So if you lose something and you already have a VEXIQ kit, you can just swap those parts out very easily. Here's our third bag of pieces, and these are nothing but beams. So some of these are 1x20 beams. This is the largest one that we have. We also have some square beams and things like that in there. Here's a small pack of connector pins. Again, if you have other VEX kits or if you have other HEXUG kits that you have used in the past, you can easily swap those out. These are just standard beams and standard connector pins. Here we have another pack, but these are 1x1 connector pins. And we also have another pack of beams. Again, you should have over 400 pieces. That's including all the beams, connector pins, corner connectors, and all of those things. Also inside the box, we have a pack of gears, 32 tooth, 10 tooth gears, and different variations. Here we have just one pack of standoffs. Again, these are standard VEX standoffs, standard standoffs that are used in the other HEXUG kits. Then we have a pack of rubber bands and some more connector pins along with washers and spacers in this pack. And then all of our HEXUG kits always comes with these plastic guards, which will help keep our balls inside the machine. So we have that standard pack here. Now this does not come with VEXIQ kits. So if you have a VEXIQ kit and you wanted to use, and you lost this once it's lost is no good. So this is the only thing that you want to for sure try to keep track of, but everything else is interchangeable. Now here are just all of the pieces from the pickup and drop ball machine kit laid out. You should have had 11 bags that all include different build pieces for the kit. You also had inside of your box a manual for just the pickup and drop ball machine kit. If you don't have this book or if you misplaced the book, you can find this online with all 74 pages at hexbug.com. I want to thank you for watching another episode of With the Robots. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for the next video where we'll be doing a speed build of the pickup and drop ball machine. See you then.